Yes. Selfie. There.
Well, she looks very comfortable sitting there.
Whoa, that's good. Whoa, hey. Yeah, no, don't lick. No pet.
Why are you, like, scared of it?
Hey guys, I'm back with Chester, and we wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and we are so grateful to everyone that has been along on her journey.
Yeah, I don't think Chester is that grateful.
And for Thanksgiving today,
Gotta go for him. Gotta go for it. Make the presents. Oh! You can't just hang out your paws like that and not expect them to get touched.
Yeah, man, your toe beans are so cute.
To his defense, I'm his lawyer. This was just a high five.
I just told him that 100,000 people have seen his face, and this is his honest, genuine reaction.
I love whatever is wrong with your cat.
It's not that big a deal. It's not like it's a million. Calm down.
I have a question. Why does he poop so much? She's just telling you about her background and what she's been up to.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
People say we look alike. They say we're twins. This is my child. Just letting y'all know.
I think your child might be a teenager.
Get ready with me to turn myself into that baddie. Oh, no, turn me into her, not you, Jasper. Like this video, and we'll see you guys soon.
I am 100% sure Jasper is doing this just for treats.
Sure.
Unfortunately, they have a bad owner who don't care about their safety at all.
I'd like to feed my cats today, but if I do, they'll die. So instead, I'm making them their own custom pumpkin pie. Every Thanksgiving, they act like they deserve a full plate. Especially my trash cat, Jojo. She will eat literally anything, throw it up, and then ask for more. Pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, just pumpkin. There is a big difference there. Pumpkin is actually really good for cats. It helps with digestion.
Like a pumpkin pie I would serve to my enemies.
oh, it smells horrible.
I know. I just need to attempt to frost it and probably ruin it in the process. I feel like I did something with this. And Tuna gets first dibs because she's been stuck in my room for like 2 weeks.
The fact that you were able to make this with minimal interruptions is impressive.
Olive, come here. Come here, honey. Come here.
I gotta say, you have a beautiful cat.
Come here. I'm sorry.
It's not feeding time.
In their defense, it's not feeding time for you either. Now is it?
It's 2:30 in the morning. What are you talking about? This is not even close to feeding time.
On today's episode of Fat and Jobless.
How dare you call him fat?
I'm a seasonally depressed girl, and I really hate winter.
I totally relate to this video. I'm just like the girl, and honestly, I want to thank my cat for all the support he gives me. Cats are the cutest little useless creatures on the planet, and I love them for it.
This is exactly why you should stay out of people's wig. Because what is this about, Nanoy? Fix your wig. Pull it back.
Unfortunately, this beautiful cat has passed away.
Pull it back so you can see. There you go.
I'm gonna take my hand back now, okay? Oh, okay. No, you can have it.
Hi. Hi. How's my Cooper? Julia's for you.
He looks like a lightly toasted marshmallow.
Bagheera! You're not. Bagheera, get off the table.
I love whatever is wrong with this cat.
I ate all of your food. It's gone. There's nothing left for you. You're gonna have to go find your own food. I know.
When I open up my door, I see Adolf. And a bear!
I swear all cats do this on purpose.
Oh, you're such a sweetie. Oh, oh, that one lasted for like a second. Okay, all right, we're making progress. Oh my gosh, you're in my lap. Oh, it's so nice up here.
I love petting stray cats. They also deserve some love.
Oh my gosh, we're big snuggles. I just knew you wanted to be held.
Somebody had a poop explosion last night. We're gonna start with a little bit of a booty bath.
I am surprised the kitten stayed that calm.
I'm a cute kitty. Meow meow.
1, 2, 3.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, dance!
When your cat starts mimicking you, that's when you know you've officially been adopted.
Ha ha.
Ooh, so I'm like a paparazzi for my cat. That's actually cool.
You're my friend now.
POV, not petting my cat. Immediately after getting home.
How dare you?
My name is Kim, and I'm a pilot.
I know the quality is bad, but I
Giving
wanted
pets?
to show you this adorable video.
I'm giving pets. Yeah, just light, just gentle. Yeah, sweet boy.
He screamed before she even hit. He knew what was gonna happen.
Pepper. Stab it.
I'm sitting in bed eating a bowl of cereal and he has a problem with milk. You're a drunk.
And whenever I'm done, guess who gets to have the leftovers?
My cat is also obsessed with milk.
Hi, Suki.
You miss. Get out! You miss her?
No. I think Grandma spoiled that little girl.
Oh, she's.
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
And that's the end of the video. If you liked it, go ahead and watch one of the videos on screen next.